Wisconsin. It's about 44 degrees today. We've had rain pretty much steady all day since early this morning. I just could not pass up the opportunity to get a sit-in with this temperature dropping. Tonight is looking very good. We're going to have the rain tapering off at about 10 p.m. And then we're going to have a high-pressure system move in. The skies are going to clear up and the temps are going to drop. So we're going to get down to about 28 degrees in the morning. Right now, we're sitting on the edge of a cornfield here. So this is about a cut cornfield that's probably about 3/4 of an acre to an acre big. And we've got some plantation pines to our east here. And we've got a big clear cut with a funnel to our west. Now there's been deer coming to this field pretty consistently. But obviously with a 6-day warm front in the 60s and 70s, most of that activity was nocturnal. But we figured it'd be a good night with the temperature coming down to come out here even though it's raining and just sit in this blind that we have set up on this field and see what happens. You know, we already had a lot of nocturnal activity for this rut, so I didn't want to miss another day, so we're gonna sit this till dark and see what happens. Now, as you can see here in the frame, I've got a doe decoy out there. This is the first time that I've used this decoy this year, but I've had success in the past using this decoy, especially towards the middle and end of the rut. This is the time when a lot of bucks are going to be up on their feet again, cruising, looking for a hot doe. So I've had great luck with this decoy, and hopefully it'll get some action tonight. Well guys, just a quick update here from the blind. The rain's been coming down pretty steady the whole time we've been sitting here. I'm hoping that it lets up. The forecast says it should right around 4:15, which is just a little while before dark. So we're hoping that when that rain lets up, these deer get on their feet and they move. I don't know if we'll have one come in quick enough to get a shot in daylight, but we're gonna give it a shot. So we're just sitting here listening to the pitter patter of the rain. Just had a doe walk out of the cornfield. Probably about 80 yards away right now. You can see the doe walking out. She's kind of checking out that decoy right now. Those are the same two deer I saw when I was walking into the woods. Oh, here comes a little buck. Is that a buck or a doe? Oh, looks like a little buck following the doe. There's a little buck right behind him. Looks like he's set to one side. Or it might be another doe. Actually, I think it's a third doe. I'm guessing they won't stick around very long. They're not going to like that decoy. She really doesn't like a decoy. You can really tell she doesn't like that decoy. I almost guarantee they're gonna spook. Yeah, there they go. I figured they wouldn't stick around very long after they saw that decoy. Does get really weird around decoys. You know, that's kind of why using a decoy can be a gamble. I just had a doe and two fawns. Looks like a number and a doe fawn. They came out into the cornfield. Pretty sure it was the same deer I saw walking in. And they came out here and they kind of were a little bit spooked about my decoy. So a lot of times, does will get spooked by doe decoys. But bucks will be curious enough to come in and check them out. I actually could have shot that doe. She hung out at about 33 yards. I could have shot her pretty easily. sure if she was okay with that decoy or not. And then finally they kind of just trotted off. So I'm sure they'll come back out here later tonight. But it's 3:42, so we got about an hour and a half left of daylight. And hopefully a buck will come out here soon. Well, our little doe buddies are back. Let's see if they stick around this time. I got deer coming into my left, right here on my left, 15 yards in the blind. There's deer coming out all over the field now. Deer all over. Small buck is coming up right now. I just heard him grunt a couple times. He's gonna come out and chase these does around, I think. Yeah, he's gonna harass these does a little bit. See a little buck right here walking towards me. He's coming to check out this doe decoy right here now. He's probably gonna circle downwind of it and come take a look. Wants to check on her. So what they'll typically do here is they'll come in and he'll come in and he'll circle downwind of behind her, and he's going to try to catch any scent he can from her. Yeah, here he comes. He's coming right behind her. Trying to figure out what's going on because this is a 2D decoy, so now he can't really see her as well. But that's exactly what it's designed to do. That deer is 40 yards away right now. If I wanted to take a shot right now, I could. Guys, I don't know if you can see this right now, but my target buck is literally 20 yards behind my decoy right now. He's staring right at the decoy. I had my target buck. I got out of the blind because it was super windy and I went to stalk up on him. Had my target buck at 40 yards and he ended up chasing another buck off of the food plot. I am just sick right now. Oh my god, man, I want to puke.